Hey there, if you want to make @icloud.com email on iPhone, then here's how to do it. First, you just need to open settings. Now tap on your this Apple ID account, then go to the iCloud section where you will find email. That you can find it prompted set up. You can tap on it. Now you can set up an email. So here you can see the extension is @icloud.com. Now you can add another like your address, for example XYZ, and here you can see username is not available just because it has just taken by anyone. Like I'm going to add any number like this, and you can just tap on continue. Now you can just tap on confirm email address, and as soon as you tap on this confirm email address, it will just create that @icloud.com email address on your iPhone. And that's pretty much simple. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.